Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many users face when dealing with their devices. The problem we'll be discussing involves the screen of your device freezing unexpectedly, causing frustration and confusion. If you've ever experienced this issue, you know how disruptive it can be to your workflow or entertainment. But fret not, as we have a solution that can help you resolve this pesky problem once and for all. In this situation, the solution lies in restarting your device by performing a force restart. To do this on most devices, simply press and hold down the power button along with the volume down button is applicable until the device powers off and restarts. This method can help to clear any temporary glitches or issues causing your screen to freeze, allowing you to use your device normally again. Remember, a force restart is a handy solution to have in your troubleshooting toolkit for situations like this. Now that we've covered the solution to the screen freezing problem, you can feel more confident in addressing this issue should it arise in the future. By performing a force restart, you can quickly get your device back up and running smoothly without the frustration of a frozen screen. Remember, it's always a good idea to keep your device updated with the latest software to help prevent such issues from occurring. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave us a comment below with your thoughts or any other tech issues you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching and happy troubleshooting.